In today's video, I'll show you how to sign into Minecraft. If you're not signed in yet and want to access your worlds or play with friends, this video will walk you through the whole process. First, open the Minecraft app on your device. Once the game loads, look at the bottom left corner of the main screen. You'll see the Sign In button. Tap on it. Now you'll be redirected to the Microsoft website. From there, simply tap Sign In. Now, enter the email address for your Microsoft account, such as Outlook, Hotmail, or another Microsoft email, then tap Next. After that, enter your password and tap Next again. Wait a few seconds for the page to finish loading, then tap Let's Go. If this is your first time signing in, you may be asked to create a username. Choose your name carefully, because this will be your in-game name. Once you're done, tap Let's Go. You'll then be taken back to Minecraft automatically. And that's it. You've successfully signed into Minecraft. That's how you can sign into Minecraft. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Minecraft tutorials. Thank you.